Hi, hello friends. This is Suresh from Money Quest channel. Today I am going to present one more investing idea for short term or even considered for a long term as well. And the stock name is Pfizer. And let's look at what the chart is trying to tell us. See, if you look at this chart, this is where it made a base recently. So one can think that this is where is a very long term, I mean, where the buyers are here. But generally what I see in chats is I find where the buyers and sellers are there, nothing else. If you see from here, I have drawn one line. See here from where at this 5600 you can see sellers actually. See, this is where, but in July it broke out and again it came back here. This is where you can consider it broke out this line, I mean sellers level, and went up again. It came into below range again. You can see the buying coming in. So now it made an up move around on 28th July, and on 29th again there was a sell-off. So okay, this we can see that there was a sell-off, but if the really huge sell-off was there, if the stock had to move on, it should have fallen down. See, it is going in a channel and it don't want to fall again below this one. So I'm just guessing again the buyers are coming at this level now. The sellers have, no control. Buyers have taken a control here. And but how do we validate this? This is definitely if the price is rejected when you go closer here, and today it made an up move, maybe 1-2%, but it clearly indicates that this is where sellers and buyers are coming in and fighting. But now the buyers took over control. One can look for a what you call short-term opportunity, maybe 2-3 weeks or 1 week. We don't know basically in share market. So this is one thing for short term. Maybe one can expect at least 10-15%. Now we'll go back to the longer horizon. See if the chart. See, it's been there for see this chart was trending from November and March, again came back here almost at the same price level. This is 4,400. So it came back and again moved up, and this stock was completely in this range. So one can look for, even consider long-term buying as well, maybe 6 months or 1 year. At least one can expect at least 50% or even double the money. So I'll put a 1 week chart. See this, it is in a longer term. So I am guessing at least if anyone can keep it for 1 year, they can expect double the returns or even minimum. I'm guessing it is 50%. So that is what is my prediction. Let's see. And this is my general opinion on this stock. So if anyone is interested, can look for buying in it, and keep a stop loss. I'll tell you. See, this was trending in, but anyhow this taken a support. See, I have been into the stock market. Slowly I came to a situation. I simply look for where the buyers are there, where the sellers are here. So one can look for a stop loss even if they're long term looking. If they're short term, they can put a stop loss here, maybe around 5700. But for a long term, people can look for stop loss at 5600. So if these levels are not broken, you simply keep the position open, and one can expect at least 10 to 15% for the short term, and 50% or even more for a longer term period. So, and even volume also suggesting today. So that's all, friends. In this channel I try to create educational videos that I am doing out of my passion. Please encourage me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your patience. I'll If anybody likes, please leave a comment saying that, encouraging, say you continue doing videos. I'll continue doing it. Thank you.